Okay, testing. Why testing is required? What is testing? Why testing is required? Okay, to check the functionality of the application. Okay,
Yeah.
what is testing? To test check the functionality of the application. What is application? So for example, you open any site. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a, for example, Google. Okay, Google. You open Google now. This is the home page. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
home page. This is the search box. This is the one
Mm-hmm.
search by voice icon. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the title. Okay, this is a search button. Okay, this is a Gmail link, image link. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
can search now, for example, selenium. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
hit enter. Okay, it
Mm-hmm.
will display some result. Okay, result.
Yeah.
So this is the somewhat application. Okay, we have some features, right? Google
Yeah.
is a search engine. You search the some
Mm-hmm.
application and you can see the result. Okay, so to test this application now,
Mm-hmm.
manually you can test. Okay, to test the functionality of the application. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Google and hit enter now, it display home page like this. Okay, color should be, this is the color. Okay, this is the text box. By defaultly cursor will blinking in the search box. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and these two links, this is the functionality. Okay, when
Mm-hmm.
you enter any data here and hit enter now, the corresponding result will be displayed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can test this now, that is the to test the functionality of the application. So this is a testing. Okay, you got it, right?
Yes.
In industry, two types of services are there in any industry. Okay, one
Yeah.
is product, one is project. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
product and project, two types are there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some industries product based companies are there, and service based or project based companies are there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for example, what is product? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so develop the application based on the company's requirement and use that application as end user. Okay, that is a product. So for example, Visual Studio is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some other, okay, Microsoft Teams is there, right? Just
Yeah.
you connect Zoom is there, right? Zoom.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a, that is a product, not a
Product.
project.
Mm-hmm.
Product. Why? The product is developed by some other company. So Zoom is developed by some other company. We are using that product, right? We
Yeah.
pay some money and using that product for some time, particular time. Okay, that is a
Mm-hmm.
product. So this requirement is not your requirements. Company's requirement, based on the company's requirement, build this product, Zoom. Okay, meetings
Mm-hmm.
and recordings. So many features are there. So based on the company's requirement, product is built and we using that product. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
you got it right. That is a
Yes.
product.
Mm-hmm.
Project now, based on the client requirement, build the build the services. For example, you have a own, you developed your own project. Okay, and use that project. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is a project based on your requirement, build that project. Okay.
Yes.
So project, okay, project now develop the application see the owner ownership never change, right, in the
Yeah.
project. So as of now Zoom is completely their product. So we don't buy any Zoom product, we just take the subscription and using that Zoom, okay.
Yeah.
In the same way project na complete ownership will change. So develop the application based on your requirement and build the application and you take ownership of that application. That is completely your own website. Okay.
Yes.
That is a project. Okay. Okay. You got it? Right? What
Yeah.
is the product and project? No?
Yes.
So for example, here Zoom is a one product. Okay. Okay, database, any database, no, SQL server, that all are products. Okay, Visual Studio, that is also one type of product. Okay. So for example Gmail, okay, that is okay,
Yeah.
you are using that one, but we don't take any subscription, but based on the client requirement we build that project own websites. Okay, these all are the project based companies. Okay,
Yeah.
you selected any product, any industry, na, maximum product or project. Okay, you can, some companies are there you are only product based companies, some companies are there service based companies, some companies can handle both, like that. Okay.
Yes.
So in project or product anything you can, testing is must and should be required, right? To test the must and should be check the functionality. Okay. If the functionality is not working expected, if functionality is not working as expected, then that is a deviation, right?
Yeah.
So if client requirement is this is a home page, okay, the title is not displayed here. For example, Google, that image is there, right? That
Yeah.
is not displayed here. That is a deviation, right? As per client requirement, must and should be this title should be displayed like this. Okay, this should be not displayed like this. Okay, for example, this Google displayed in the bottom. That is also not required, right? So
Yes.
as per the client requirement, this title should be displayed here and the text box will be displayed here and the link should be displayed in the top right side. Okay. So developer build this application as per client requirements, but Google displayed in the bottom, search box displayed in the top, and this Gmail inbox displayed in the bottom. Okay.
Yes.
As per client requirement, developer builds application, but that not fulfill, right? Everything is there, but not fulfill. Okay. As per client requirement, position also very important. Where to this location also. So we test the application. So as per client requirement, this project is built or not. Okay, build now. The
Yes.
test case pass means our testing is pass. Okay, otherwise this is not a client requirement. Master should be Google text box will be displayed here. Gmail links will be on displayed in the top. So that is our client requirement. Developer can fix that. Okay, that is called a
Testing. No bug.
that is called testing. So that is called bug. What is bug means? Deviation from the requirement. That is a bug. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Deviation from the requirement. deviation from the requirement, that is a bug. You got it?
Yes.
Click on images now, it should be navigating to images,
Mhm.
right? This
Yeah.
is the images, right? So in case not navigating to images now, that is a bug, right?
Yeah.
So based, okay, so we can raise the bug and developer fix that bug. Why you raise the bug? So that is a client requirement. What is the client requirement? So when user click on images link, so application should be navigating to
Images.
image page.
Mhm.
Okay, it's not navigating to images now, that is a
Bug.
bug. So we raise a bug. How to raise a bug, I will explain some okay, some process is there. So as of now, that is a bug. So we can raise the bug and communicate it to developer fix it, we don't fix it. Okay, who
Okay.
is responsible to fix the bug?
Developer.
Developer fix that. Okay, again develop, after fixing the bug, again you test the bug
Mhm.
again. So that is working around. Okay, everything is working, so we can go to forward, we can go
Mhm.
to next step. Okay, you got it? That
Yeah.
is what is a bug. So based on the client requirement, that is not a client requirement, so deviation from the requirement. Okay, that is a bug. Okay.
Yes.
So to develop any software, some pages are there. To develop any software, okay, directly is not possible to do. So some steps are there to develop any software. Some steps are there. Okay, so first step is,
Requirement.
so these many pages are there. Okay,
Mhm.
first requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, delivery, and maintenance. So you build any software, must and should be follow these pages. Okay,
Mhm.
in the requirement page is there, right? What
Yes.
is requirement page? Gather the requirement. So you develop any project or product. So first of all, you need some requirements, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
gathering the requirements is nothing. Okay, gathering the requirements. Who take the requirement? Actually, in the industry,
Business.
BA, business analyst, some persons are there. So they will take the requirements. Okay,
Yes.
you got it right.
Yeah.
First of all, you develop any website or any product, anything. First of all, you need some requirement. For example, this is a Google page. Okay, when
Mhm.
hit on enter Google and hit enter, this is the home page. So this is one requirement, right? First,
Mhm.
about and share, two links in the left side, Gmail images, two links in the right side, this icon and this logo. Okay, and this is the image, then text box, buttons. This is our requirement. Based on the requirement,
Mhm.
developer develop this one. Now, first of all, you take the requirement. requirement. So BA will take the requirement. That's it. That is a requirement
Requirement.
space. Okay.
Okay.
After that, okay, take after gathering the requirement, okay, okay, after analysis those requirement, analysis,
Mm-hmm.
okay, feasible analysis means possible or not. So first of all, this requirement to development is possible or not. We analysis, okay, some
Yeah.
something is not possible also is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
first of all we analyze, this is the as per the requirement, okay, we take the okay, BA will collect the requirement, so we take those requirement analysis, this is possible or not,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Yeah.
is possible. Then which tool, okay, means so many tools are there, so many tools are there, right?
Yeah.
Java, C sharp, okay, Python. So,
Mm-hmm.
so which one is best, better? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Gmail is Gmail application you need to develop. Okay, which language is better? Okay, in the analysis space, we can analyze. They will analyze. Okay, it
Yeah.
is possible or not. It's possible. Okay, which tool is preferable? Java is preferable. C sharp is preferable. Python is preferable. Okay, so
Yes.
analyze. Then and and uh, and developers, which developers is, how many developers are there, how many testers are there, okay, in
Mm-hmm.
and in the, what is budget of this application now.
Yeah.
Any product or project, you before starting we perform some budget, like
Mm.
actually our budget like this, okay, based on the budget, okay, how many resources required, how many management is required, what is the tool is required, so we can analysis now, okay,
Mm-hmm.
we can budget everything in the analysis space, okay,
Yeah.
happen, okay,
Mm-hmm.
actually management is there, right, involve, okay, okay, maximum management involved in this space, okay,
Yeah.
management, okay, who is management now, so in any industry, okay, okay,
Yeah.
trainer is there, who is trainer now, fresh
Mm-hmm.
candidate, just completed graduation or post graduation just to join industry, that is a, that person is called a trainer, okay,
Mm-hmm.
software, software engineer, okay,
Mm-hmm.
senior, senior software engineer, okay,
Mm-hmm.
team lead, okay, project lead, team lead, project lead, okay,
Yeah.
associate manager, manager, senior manager, okay, delivery manager, okay, senior manager, delivery manager, okay, director, then director, and associate vice president, AVP, okay,
Mm-hmm.
vice president, and vice president, then MD. Okay, normally, okay, some other company different roles are there. Okay, on an average, this many higher management. Okay, first of all, trainee, software engineer, senior software engineer, team lead, project lead. Okay,
Mhm.
these all are actually doing coding. Coding are some involved in the actual development. Okay,
Mhm.
they don't involve in the coding, right?
Yeah.
Manager don't write any code. Okay, just managing the applications, manage team meetings. Okay, these many things we can manage. Okay, don't write any code. Manager, okay, senior manager, delivery. These people are only management related thing. These all are okay. Team lead and okay, these all are involved the coding. Okay,
Coding.
so as per up to here na, these all
Yeah.
are
Team.
management resources, management team.
Mhm.
So up to here na, this up to here, this requirement BA and this also manager. Okay, management level will take involved in this space, and here also management level involved in this space. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
which tool, which developer, what is budget, how many testers, based on the budget, how many testers are there, how many
Mhm.
developers are there, and we perform the everything. Okay, which tools is required. We can
Yeah.
in the analysis space we can they will analyze the design na.
Mhm.
So documentation. So we don't directly authoring, right? First of all, we do some documentation, right? Based on the requirement. Na? So
Yeah.
we write a documentation.
Mhm.
Documentation in the diagrams, UML diagrams. So many diagrams are there, right? So
Mhm.
UML diagrams, so many things are there. Okay, so many. So based on the documentation diagram, so in this design space, we develop the documentation and everything. Here also management involved, management team. Okay,
Mhm.
involved. Okay, here actually coding. Who write the coding? Developer, right?
Yeah.
Developer. Okay. Up here now, who involved in this space? Trainer is involved, senior software engineer, team lead, project lead, and all are involved in the here
Coding.
coding. Okay, coding.
Yeah.
Okay, actually developer start the coding. Okay, and testing na, who tester na,
Yeah.
tester involved in this space. Developer involved in the coding side. Okay,
Mhm.
our tester involved in the testing side. Okay, so our job is, this is our job. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
delivery na, so everything is looks good. Deliver the deliver the application to stakeholder, right?
Yeah.
Application or app. Okay, application or product. So delivery means okay, hand over that plan, hand over to client. So client will deploy and you can, they will start their own business. Okay,
Yeah.
and maintenance na, maintenance means, so as of now, Google is there, develop the application as per client requirement, everything is okay, and end user using this application. Okay, end user using this application. So in future, one feature, some features can add, some feature can remove, right? In
Yeah.
future,
Mhm.
that is called a maintenance. Okay, in the maintenance space, new features added or remove some features like that, right? Keep on
Yeah.
going, right? This, for example,
Yeah.
take any retail application, Amazon, Flipkart. So in new products is always adding, some product is deleting, and some promos is coming, some offers are coming, some offers are going. So this is going on way going, right? Okay, that is
Yeah.
all our maintenance space. Got it, right? Any website, you take any website now, new features is came, new features coming. Okay, so these are the under those are maintenance space. Okay,
Yeah.
you have idea, right, how to develop the application.
Yes.
So directly we don't develop the application, we follow some rules, some paces. Okay, what are those paces now? So on an average, requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, delivery, and maintenance, these spaces are there. So in the requirement space, who involved, BA and management involved in this space. Okay, okay, and main intention for this space is gather the requirements. Okay, based on the client requirement, gather those requirements. That is called a requirement space. So analysis, we analyze those requirements, is possible or not. Okay, development is possible or not. Okay, if possible, what which tool is required, what is our budget. Okay, we can analysis. Okay, everything is okay, then only we can move to design. Okay,
Design.
everything is okay, then we develop some documentation, right? Without documentation, it's not follow the process, right? So we develop the one documentation. Okay, this feature, what is this feature? Okay, in this, what is a diagram? Okay, like that we develop the documentation
Document.
in the design space. Coding side, and the developer involve and write the code, right? Actually code, here we develop, the developer will write the code. Actually coding starting here, right? Up to
Yeah.
here, just documentation, everything is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually code is not started. Actually development started here. Okay. Actually development based on the designing and the diagrams, based on that, actually coding is started
Coding.
here. Then so after
System.
developer develop the application, we don't hand over the project to the client, right? Why? Developer do some mistakes, right? So
Yeah.
tester, as a tester, we test the application, check the application. So these requirements are there, right? Those requirements actually developer okay, correctly configured or not. Okay, if configure, okay, if not configure, we raise a bug. What is bug? Deviation from the requirement, right? So this is the client requirement, but you developing wrong way, so we raise a bug. So again developer fix that bug, and everything is okay, testing completed. Completed, then only move to development phase. Delivery space. So delivery means hand over the project to who the client is there, right?
Owner.
Hand over the project to client, stakeholder or something. Some members are called stakeholders, someone called client, someone called a
Owner.
payer. Okay, so hand over the project to owner. Yeah, owner. Hand over to owner. So owner deploy the product and end user can use. Okay, and if in future any feature, any new requirement, new requirement added, or any requirement can be deleted, like that, any like that, those all are maintenance space. Okay,
Yeah.
got it right? Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions as of now?
No.
You understanding, right? I'm teaching any fast or any
No,
slow
you
or
are
any
absolutely fine. Yeah. You're
okay.
doing really good. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, these are the spaces. This called as a
Phases. SDLC.
SDLC. What is SDLC means? Software
Phases.
development life
Cycle.
cycle. Okay, this is a SDLC. Tell me the SDLC. What are the spaces in the SDLC?
Requirements analysis, design, coding, testing, delivery,
and maintenance.
and
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, this is the SDLC, software development life cycle. These are the spaces available in the SDLC. Okay. So here, this is the testing space, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
In the testing space, we don't take it directly testing. We are also following some rules. Okay. We
Mhm.
are also some spaces are there. That is called a STLC.
Okay.
Got it right? So development, their own STLC not required. As of here, as a tester, right? We learn testing life cycle, software testing life
Last.
cycle. Okay. In the
Yeah.
testing, okay. In the STLC, some spaces are there based on the spaces with test application. Okay.
Yeah.
Test. So, and average, these spaces are there. Okay. In the
Yeah.
testing side, this is the testing. Okay. This
Mhm.
is the
Testing.
testing. In the testing, okay, you test any application, so you are also follow some paces. That paces is called a software testing life cycle.
Mhm.
So this is a test plan, test design, test execution, result analysis, delivery, and maintenance. These many paces are there. So test plan, okay, test
Mhm.
plan. What is test plan? So to test this application,
Mhm.
okay, uh, we plan for resource count, tools analysis, tools. Okay. So for example, this project is came. Okay. Uh, First we perform planning. How many resources required for this space? Okay.
Yeah.
For automation, which tool is required?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which tools? Okay. And
Yeah.
bug, you raise some bugs now. Bug also which tool they are using. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the budget for this
Mhm.
cycle? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is our scope? What is scope? Okay. Scope. What is our scope? Means
Mhm.
only manual testing or automation. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Budget. Okay. So this many in the test plan, we
Mhm.
analyze those things. Okay.
Yeah.
Test design. In the test design, writing a test cases. Okay. To test the functionality, you writing a test cases. Okay. This is the actually we involved in this space. Here, maximum team lead up and above involved. With test design, you writing a own test cases, you analysis involved in this test design. Okay. Test
Mhm.
execution. Test execution, what is test execution? Execute the test cases, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Execute the test cases. So test the application. Yeah, test execution. We perform the testing the application. Okay.
Mhm.
So result analysis means, okay, how many pass, fail, okay, why fail. So for example, okay, we write some test cases and execute those test cases. Some test cases are fail, some test cases are fall, pass, fail. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
pass is okay, fail. Why fail? Okay, we open some bugs, right?
Yeah.
We raise some bugs. Based on the bug, some test cases are fail.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we
Yeah.
analysis how many test cases pass or fail, what is the reason, okay, how many
Mm-hmm.
open bugs are there, okay, we analysis in this space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, delivery, everything is okay, no bugs are open, everything is working as expected, we hand over the project to owner.
Oh, no.
Hand over the product to owner. Maintenance means same, new features is came now,
Yeah.
and any feature is added, removed, no, we again we test the application, right? So that is a maintenance space. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a STLC. Okay, any questions as of now?
No.
Good, right? What
Yeah.
is SDLC and what is STLC? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, you learn this concept now. Google it now. STLC and
Yes.
STLC. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and you learn something. Okay,
Yeah.
you just okay. This is not a interview question, but you okay, you know this concept. Okay, must and should be you know these things. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
what is SDLC means, you any organization, any project is starting now, must and should be follow this basis. Okay, otherwise we don't build any product. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you learn something, don't ask any interview question, no one asking this. As a fresher na, this will ask. Okay, as a
Okay.
experience, right?
Mm-hmm.
No one ask like this type of questions, but you minimum you learn this concept, basic
Okay.
idea, what is HDLC, na? These are the requirements are there,
Yeah.
this many pages are there. Okay, this is the brief idea. Okay, what is requirement base, okay, what is analysis space, what is design
Mm-hmm.
space.
Design.
Okay, yeah, so and the STLC, the actually this is our duty, right? STLC. So
Yeah.
yeah, you learn test plan. What is test plan? This is a
Mm.
somewhat important. This one,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one is a important. The remaining is nothing. No. So test design, execute the test cases, test execution. Na, just
Yeah.
execute how many pass or fail. Analysis, na, how many pass or fail.
Mm-hmm.
Analysis just okay. Delivery and maintenance, everything is same. But test plan is there. Na, this is somewhat important. Test plan,
Okay.
scope, what is our scope, what is our budget, what is the
Mm.
resource, how many resources are there, what is okay, senior software engineers one, junior normal software engineers two, like that. Okay,
Yeah.
the resource allocation. Okay, tool analysis, which tool is required, so based on the application, this tool is preferable, this tool is not preferable, why. So
Yeah.
so many things are there. Okay, so actually this is the management team will take care. Okay,
Yeah.
Actually, team lead, project lead, and above one. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll take it. Okay, okay. Minimum you can let these things, and these are normal. Okay.
Okay, no problem. So I feel like I understand most of the part, and I'll do the revise as well. Would you be
Yeah,
able to take a class tomorrow?
yeah. We'll connect tomorrow.
And could you do it at 8 o'clock, please, if you can, in our time?
You are 8 p.m. right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
8 and 10. Okay, sure. Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.